Looking fine. Anyways, look what we got, guys. We got goodies. We're gonna unbox this real quick and I'm gonna show you the installation. Alright guys, check this out. So these are hood struts. These are going to make the hood on the Mustang come up automatically. So this is a Ford product from Ford Performance. So in the box we got one strut. They have the Ford Performance engraved on it, as you can see right there. It looks really nice, very high quality. So we have one side, this is the other side. Get it out of here so you can see it. Same thing, Ford Performance engraved on it. And then we also have the hardware, as you can see. We're gonna get it out of here so I can lay it out on the ground and show you. It has a template too, so you do have to cut one of the panels. Very simple to do. I'll show you that in the video as well. And it also comes with instructions, so as you can see right here, comes with instructions. I mean, it's a pretty much straightforward installation. I mean, you can follow the pictures if you want. But yeah, see the template right there. It shows you exactly where you need to cut. Okay, let's open the hood real quick. Wow. I still can't get used to this. This is different. This is a monstrosity. Alright, I already showed you this, but I'm just gonna lay it down on the ground so you can see better. Here are the struts. Very nice quality. Ford Performance right there. Alright, the sun's coming out. Very nice quality. So these go here. These go right here. You're gonna put one of the brackets here, and then the other end goes there. So we're gonna do the driver's side first because it's the easiest. And this side, you have to drill this cover like about here. Very simple to do, and the strut goes from here to here. Alright, so right off the bat, these brackets are not labeled, so they don't have the L or the R for right hand or left hand. So just match them up to the picture here. That's what I did. Just like that. So this is the passenger and this is the driver's side. Very simple to do. So let's get some sockets so we can install it right here. I'm gonna try my best not to scratch the paint. I don't know if you see that right there. It's kind of dark, but I'm gonna try my best not to scratch this bolt. The car is brand new, so I don't want to damage anything. Alright, so let's start with this driver's side bolt. I am using a 13mm socket. Unfortunately, the bolt did get a little bit of a paint chip. That's okay though. Alright, so we got our bracket right here. What you want to do is put it in place and make sure, because there's a lip right here, make sure you put this little gap in there, which locks it in place. That way the bracket does not move. I do have some touch-up paint, so I'm going to touch up this bolt again, make it look like new, but it's nice and secure. Alright, so I'll be moving on to the lower bracket right here. The bracket comes pre-assembled, as you can see. All you have to do is make sure this lower portion right here is inside this hole. It goes in only one way. Make sure the copper colored lock washer, it's underneath it as well. That locks everything in place and it prevents it from moving. Also, the lower bracket that holds onto the bottom portion, make sure it's side to side and not forward and back. Alright, we installed it, and as you can see, it sits pretty flush. Make sure it's forward, all the way forward towards the front of the car. Yeah, it came out really nice. So this bolt right here is actually an Allen wrench. This is a number 8, I believe. So just make sure it's nice and tight. This side is done. And we're gonna go to the other side and I'll show you what we have to do. So make sure the Ford Performance logo is facing the outside. Very easy to do. All you have to do is push them in place. There you go. Wow, look at that. That looks so sexy. Very easy to do, guys. Alright, so in this side we're gonna move the battery cover. They're held by these plastic screws. One. Just wow, well, that was easy. Alright, so Ford provided this template, and you know, they say cut this right here. I honestly don't think you need to do that. Once you place it over that, there's a marking right here that you need to transfer over to the cover. Once you do that, you can go ahead and drill. And here we got a drill with a unit bit, which is a stepping drill bit pretty much. It'll be a lot smoother than a paddle bit or an actual drill bit. With this you can actually control how big you want that hole to be. So let's get this done, and I'll show you the bracket installation. Alright, so we have this hole already done right here. I think it came out pretty clean. You can do your best not to like make it look messy or whatever, but it looks pretty clean right now. I'm probably gonna do a better job cleaning it up. That way you don't see those white plastic chips or whatever. You can see both sides right there. So now we're gonna go install the bracket back in the car, and then we can test fit our hole. Make sure that clears. So this is what I was explaining on the other side. Make sure that silver bracket it's facing side to side, the way it anchors from the bottom. If you leave it front and back, it's just gonna slip right out because the hole is designed the same way. So make sure it's side to side like that, and it should be good. So now we're gonna put this cover back on. I made the hole much larger, and as you can see, the cover hooks right through the bottom. The bracket's showing much better now, and it's sitting flush here. Now I can put the pins back in place. Before I couldn't. Alright, so we're done. It looks so much better. Both sides are done. The last thing we need to do is remove the rod. I don't wanna just set it back down again. So I'm just gonna remove this bolt right here and remove it completely. That way it's long gone. I don't want to see it ever again. Alright, the moment of truth. We're gonna see. Nice, it's working. Oh, I'm so nervous. Let's see how much clearance we have. It's looking pretty good. Oh, alright. Yeah, we just gotta shut it. I mean, I don't like pushing on the hood. I like dropping about this. There you go. Oh man, that's awesome. Let's test it out again, opening it. Should work just fine. Alright. Oh man, that's so much better. I don't know why Ford didn't do this from factory, but hey, at least gives me something to do. Much better. This is clearing. But wow, this is a very easy mod that you guys can do. I'll link everything in the description where I got the parts from. But yeah, this is a great mod, guys. I'll definitely recommend it to all those 2015 Mustangs owners, 15 and up. I think the 18, maybe the 2018 model uses the same shocks. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. But you can do your own research, or you can go forward and figure it out. Anyway, mission accomplished, guys. I like it so much better. So thanks for watching. If you like what you see, make sure you hit the thumbs up, subscribe. I'm gonna be making a lot of more videos about the Mustang, and there's other mods that I'm gonna do to it very soon. Hint, hint. It's something to do with the exhaust. I'm not gonna say anything else. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Like I said, make sure you hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and until the next one.